Ooh, good morning, wild, wild world. There are only 2 days left in the semester. I guess technically Thursday is finals day, but I don't have any finals, so. Whew, it's coming. Wait. Oh, yeah. Okay. So, yeah, I don't have any finals today. I have one tomorrow, and then one on Wednesday that I need to study for. So, just in the clear, the home stretch, and just getting out of my room, heading to lunch. Took advantage of not having anything this morning and like fully slept in and everything, so that was good. I feel nice and well rested. But it looks like a beautiful day. I'm excited for it. It's going to be very nice. How beautiful the sky looks today. Oh. And it's also not hot, which is fantastic. So these last couple days, I think, are going to be quite amazing because it's beautiful weather, wonderful temperatures. Yeah. Woohoo. Food time.
It's running.
So, it's finals week. Ate lunch. Now, went and picked up a package from my mom. Don't know what's in here. Let's find out. I'm gonna open it with 1/2 of a chopstick. It was super effective. First thing immediately out the box, got some Jack Link's beef jerky. That's gonna be yummy. Love me some beef jerky. I don't know if it'll be here long enough for Ben to get back. He gets back in 2 days. But next thing is a white box. That's all I ever wanted was a white box. Fantastic. All right, I guess we should open the white box. Is there anything on here that tells me what it is? Healthy snack care package. Oh no, it's healthy. You know it's never in a healthy snack care package. Gummy worms. I'm just gonna, oh, there we go, opened it. Oh, it's so strong. Oh yeah. Got a trusty old chopstick. Jab it in there and get it some leverage, and then you, just like that. Effective. Is there a top to this? This has a yellow dot on that. Is that supposed to be the top? Because, like, was I supposed to open that? Okay. Gotta be smarter than the box. Oh, whoa. Whoa. Whoa, there's a lot of things in here. Okay, so we got some vegetable chips. Don't know what to think of that. Some Skinny Pop. My mom apparently thinks I'm fat. Lots of fruit snacks. That's some ASMR right there. Then we got nuts. More nuts. Nuts with raisins and chocolate. Belvita breakfast biscuits. My breakfast. Also my breakfast. Crunchy. Also, I've eaten this before for breakfast. A fig bar. I'm gonna have to figure out how this tastes. 3 fig bars. We got all the fig bars in the world. Nutri-Grain bars. Throwback to childhood life. I don't know how many of you as kids ate these, but you know, they were definitely a mainstay of me being a child and eating food out of my sack lunches. And we got a bunch of granola bars and stuff, so. Thanks, Mom. Now I'm gonna have food so I don't starve. Here in the study de-stress room for finals, they have brain flakes. Wow. Look at all the flakes of brains around here. I wonder how many people they had to kill to get all these brain flakes. Something's morally not right with this. the CAMPFIRESONG song. CAMPFIRESONG song. Patrick! Great! CAMPFIRESONG song.